Two sides of a triangle measure 8 cm and 12 cm. Find its area if its perimeter is 26 cm. A 20.33 cm squared, B 21.33 cm squared, C 22.33 and D 23.33. So geometry na ito. Sa geometry na tayo. So for solution, drawing muna natin yung triangle. Sabi yung dalawang side daw nitong triangle is 8 cm and 12 cm. So hindi natin alam kung ano yung length ng isang side. So sabihin natin that is C. Find its area. Pinapahanap yung area niya. Kung yung perimeter is 26 cm. Kunin muna natin yung value ng isang side. Yung perimeter equal siya sa 26, equal din sa side A plus B plus C. Or 26 is equal to, ngayon natin is 8 plus 12 plus C. So your C is equal to 26 minus 20. So C is equal to 6. So ito is 6. Kompleto na yung side natin. Pwede nating makuha yung area ng triangle using Heron's formula. Si Heron's formula, sabi niya area ng triangle is equal to square root of S times S minus A times S minus B times S minus C. And S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2. So our S is equal to 8 plus 12 plus 6 divided by 2. Our S is equal to 13. So area ng triangle is equal to square root ng 13 times 13 minus 8 minus 13 minus 12 is 13 minus 6. Area ng triangle natin is equal to 21.33 centimeter square. The answer is B, 21.33.